This is our trip to New Hope, PA, also right next bordering town of Lambertville, New Jersey. I took the kids there. We had a great time. We rode the train, got ice cream. This was part of my get out and move more, and I'm trying to help myself lose weight and treat my kids and family to a better time. Please look at the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up and a like, and this should have fun. What do you kids think? Oh, the smell. Cool. You're making a movie.
I'm on a train station.
You're at a train station. You're at the New Hope, PA train station?
Yes.
Riding some of the antique cars?
Yes.
Cool. And who are you with?
Mother.
And?
Ashley.
Mom. Brian. Ashley, smile. Make a movie star face. And me, Daddy. So, Ashley, do you have your tickets there? What color are your tickets?
Pink.
They're pink. And here we are leaving the station.
How come we're flying? Bye-bye.
We're leaving the station.
How come we're flying?
We're not flying, we're on wheels.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We're up on New Hope Atlantic Land Railroad, our 2 o'clock train to Lahaska, Pennsylvania and back. To maximize the enjoyment of your trip, I ask that you observe the following safety regulations. Please keep your head, hands, and arms inside the train at all times, as there are obstructions and close clearances along the line. We do not want anyone injured. If you are riding in your coach service, the windows that are open are the windows that will open. Please do not try to open any other windows. We do not want anyone injured. If you're riding in the open car, do not lean over the rail. We do not want anyone to fall off the train. We'd like you to finish the journey on board the train. And please remember, there's no smoking anywhere on board the train. Now, folks, just a few moments from coming onto a trestle bridge known as Pauline's Trestle. Back before the days of Hollywood, actress Pearl White starred in the silent movie serial known as The Perils of Pauline. And in that film, there's a classic scene in which Pauline is tied to the tracks, threatened by a giant steam locomotive, rescued at the last possible moment by her hero Harry. That action was filmed on this trestle bridge in 1914. Off to the right of the train, folks.
Brian, what do you think of the train ride? Cool, huh?
That house is cool.
Yeah, there's some beautiful houses on this route.
I don't like the pink house it's next to.
I think this is the point where they turn the train around and we go backwards. Looks cool though. Nice picnic area back there. Maybe next time we'll bring some food.
Try to not drop your. Try not to drop your phone.
And see if we can see the train, and we can, can't we? Look, here it comes. It's coming. It's coming.
Put your phone back in.
Okay. Look at it come. It's coming. It's backing up. And look at it. It's huge. You can see my phone, right? Is that cool?
I think so.
Mom thinks it was cool. Good job, Dad, for taking us on this trip.
The kids
Okay, while we're stopped here, I'm going to come around and show all of our guests the photographs we took of our passengers boarding our train today with train conductor Lou. We instituted our photo sales program several years ago to help us to defray the costs associated with our continued maintenance and restoration of our fleet of vintage antique coach cars. Many of our coach cars were built between 1911 and 1922. We do all the restoration and maintenance work ourselves. We're under no obligation, but if you want to help support this living history, 1 5x7 for $17, 2 for $20. Thank you.
I love the woodwork in this car.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, nice woodwork. It's amazing. This is coach, and today this will be considered first class. That's a really cool creek bed down there. It's just a shame you can't really see it that well. Ashley, did you see any deer? Yeah, you saw some deer. The hairy ducks? They're babies, they just don't have their fur yet. Down there, kids.
How come we never get a boat ride?
We'll get a boat ride someday.
But that one they're having over there?
This is our train ride. We had a good time. There were lots of places to eat afterwards. Took the kids for ice cream. And couldn't get much more because I didn't have any space on my camera.